The same as Simon Ekpa don't send a message go give her daddy or Diolamma. No be smart, as he stand right now, they say the woman don't bust cry. Put for the matter, they say Simon Ekpa they call him Sabo upon all the whole effort when they put for Biafra struggle. My people, I go play on the voice so may una hear wetin talk and know wetin you go judge for this matter. Stay tuned and watch the video. Don't forget to stay there for Balaba gist. Here where would they bring you ogbonge news as it dey happen.
Those of you who only thing you know is to foment trouble and bring distraction into what we're doing, we're not going to have your time. And for that reason, from tonight, every Biafra Republic government in exile affiliated media personnel and media team, henceforth, you are banned from talking about anybody in Biafra struggle.
Kekime Adam Kwan Amana Hasri Ike Obatobie Biko Ewokoniwe. Since yesterday night, Obiade Mumma Sina Magwagi Obatobie put through my life everything. Now this is struggle. Now struggle I on here. Ijiwe epu na struggle everything. Everything no well okay devele anisafu which na go one no nwegu well idea but obie adimi make it mo because na enya na emele obi Africa ina emele ya ana me moto si wedrum no obi but obie because onwere ogweji bia na struggle iji we maybe he na eme awo support. That is why oja unfo onyo ona that oyagoja unfonyo na neje against the struggle onyo na cholo it bring in a medal and my mad against that person mana in a more these things enough come as a sabo on from Nandi up to Sunday. I don't understand. Why would you wounded the genuine not have for phone? Do not suffer and really na this is struggle. But to be I don't understand. Oponine and they can have more as a sabo. Only do up to something. But to be just check good. Imagine this kind of thing. Now fully woman put that ready before I channel television or YouTube pota ikasrima nanda ready sige hapo mukamana menya just hapo mu iya yenjiwe bena distrogo ya yemoji wezite kamona fa made this thing enough for as sabo. Yesterday when they make program name anon na yo this thing that we na telegram still in case he send a message man he send a message he just said de la jele ajele come here after can make the program over to be a big go one on window na struggle right way maybe a struggle we he support at the end emale bensi we bia emwa no mo na edumuno Abatobie afunumono gameye uta mosi we direct I want sabo Abatobie just to come to help you just to come to help so help you kaji webia but he said listen for this kind of intimidation. We couldn't know. We even made said it for jail, but no straight to talk to me. You need easy try jail. About to be a for not an even now struggle. None but the outside because ever met you as a lemmy. It's in missing a gazelle miri. It's in missing and do no man. I will let me. Because of all these things, Papa told me, take good in the end. Take good in the no, come on. See where I feel, Papa told me. Obi ade mama didn't sleep last night. I said, come back because you were there. Thank you very much, Abatobi. When he were na momo bawala, obi bawala, bawa kanja, go. I can never move out the last person. Abatobi. Yeah, degi. Onoleba de fiyo wa kite. Spoiler this Jemumwelo when sacrificing my life and everything I have. Abatobi opu they use rumade medical agekala masabo. Nancy go be be careful. Look like it is coming end up to number. Abatobi so adwa. Chineke gozie lengi. Mana that nariguma. Oh na miwe. Jue se money ni like jua onye wa dandibuo. Ya funa dandembo nandegede. Oh no dan na wakwa otumo si we dunyemu. Oh na yinamo na struggle memi yeneme. If moto I man amado and I'm not alone. And I will never be alive. I swear with my life, I will never be alive. More or more, I be against the struggler. I let her die. That leave that person. He says, I no lungi. And when he don't do what? Madodondo. Abia. Itampa. Or he destroy again. Or he palege. Or you put asunder. Now this is struggler. Eating everything in you. Nimi Obatobia Dandembo say I disagree. I can never leave that person. Obatobia. Oh na man can oh they are chopping na this struggle chopumu. Come me fight the saboteurs. None of this is struggle. Obatobia, I swear with everything I have. Each make it sure. Any saboteur. In this struggle, I will destroy that person. I will destroy that person. With the tears in my heart. It will not be more. Kanja Bagia. I'm going to go for this before. I'm not going to if I go see where to remove. There were Batobia. Chukozeleng. One money dwelling. And I never that day again. Chakawalang. Money, I do a leg. Yeah, when I tell you, Belly. Yeah, Belly, Natalie. Yeah, what I will keep Biafra. Oh, those. So good. And you wake up. A cobra cannot never that dig it. Okay, Carlos. Oh, you know. And there you know, nobody can destroy you. Not a bad that didn't do. They were.
Those of you who only thing you know is to foment trouble and bring distraction into what we're doing, we're not going to have your time. And for that reason, from tonight, every Biafra Republic government in exile affiliated media personnel and media team, henceforth, you are banned from talking about anybody in Biafra struggle. Anybody. You are prohibited from discussing anybody that is not Nigeria government and the affiliate. If anybody has been in this struggle, stop talking about them. If anybody has fallout, stop talking about them until it is necessary. From tonight, I do not want to see anybody in the media team discussing one nonsense person or the other who doesn't make any sense, who doesn't command anything, who is not relevant, who is inconsequential. Whether the person talk bad about me, don't give that person voice. This particular order is to everybody that is affiliated to the Biafra Republic government in Ezra. From Diolamma down to Ajare, down to Carolina, anybody that is affiliated to this government, you are from tonight prohibited from talking and discussing anybody that has fallen out of this struggle until when it is necessary. I will give you that green light. For now, we must focus on Nigeria government, on Hope Uzodinma, on the awareness to make sure that the necessary resources is raised. Necessary fund is raised. You have to continue to expose and create awareness on the activities of the Biafra Republic Government in Exile, activities of the Biafra Liberation Army and Biafra Resistance Fighters, activities of our Marine, activities of our Naval Forces, activities of whatever the Biafra de facto government is doing. This is what I want every media team, every media personnel to be doing from tonight. Believe me, if you disobey this particular instruction and directive, you are out. You know I don't waste time. You are out. We don't need any distraction going forward. We are now entering the real deal, the real business of the liberation of Biafra. I don't want any distraction. I don't want to come on social media and I open your pages, your platform, and all I'm hearing is this one is that, this one is this. This is not what we are doing now. We are now entering a very dangerous phase of this struggle that you must continue. If they attack me, allow them. Don't respond until I ask you to do. Call my attention on those attacking me. I will tell you when to respond and when not. For now, there is nothing they are going to say about me they have not said before. There is no attack that is going to come to me today that I have not seen in the past. So from tonight, focus on creating the awareness, bringing what Biafra Liberation Army are doing to the public. This is our task from tonight. The activities of the Biafra Liberation Army, hunt for it, look for it, put them on social media, and let the world see. I'm going to give a room to the host. We have the media.
ọgwụ ndị Abakaliki na-arụ ọ na-arụkwa ọrụ PM biko ị ga-ebunyetụ m ike ọwọkọwụ ike Pentikọst ndị Abakaliki enidiri m ya short. Welcome back, my wonderful people. As you don't watch that video, make you drop your own opinion for inside comment section. We'll find out wetin make this woman dey cry for inside comment section or share am.